Okay, another thing I'd like to talk to you about is when you are working with Evernote is you probably start getting a lot of information inside your notes and you want to find them and get what you're looking for a little bit easier. So if you search by tags, tags are really useful because if you attach a tag, you can see where they are. So in this case, maybe I have something related to Common Core. There's 12 articles. If I tag those 12, I can see specifically what they are. Maybe I want to look for another tag, maybe something related to a course or something like that. Whatever it might be, maybe something related to literacy that I found. And so it could be professional development things, it could be articles, it could be handwritten notes, whatever else. And what I've done then is just gone ahead and added some notes or some tags as time has gone on, whether it's a unit or a course or a subject or a topic or whatever else. I can also do a search by what's actually in the note itself. And by doing that, I can go to the magnifying glass and I can type in a keyword. In this case, I'm going to search for Stalin because I'm a world history teacher. So what I can do then would be find the word Stalin that's physically typed in, the word Stalin that came from a web page that maybe I clipped into Evernote. If I have handwritten notes where I wrote that word, I can find it there too. Or if I find the word even in an image file, it'll do some searching for me that way. The important caveat here would of course be the quality of your handwriting probably determines the quality of your finds. My handwriting is kind of sketchy. So I type in Stalin, I hit enter, and what I can do then is basically a Google search of all my stuff that might have the word Stalin in it. And if I go through my notes, I already know where there should be some and where there shouldn't be others. So I know that with this Cold War Complete series, this was a DVD set, and if I click on it, what I'll be able to see then is actually from the DVD jacket that I took pictures of, the word Stalin is appearing. So maybe I can find which DVD chapter I'd like to use for part of a lesson. Maybe I did some collaboration with a colleague and I had some notes on a piece of paper that I took a picture of. The word Stalin appears. So I can find it that way. Another way I can look at it would be maybe just textbook notes that I have. And these are kind of big, but what happens here is we'll find the word Stalin appear. So this is really powerful because maybe you do have students that do a lot of stuff on paper, or maybe you do as well. And if you can use the cameras on your phones to take a picture of it, you're able to really make a lot of stuff very searchable, and that's a really cool thing to do. Okay, now we did notice there's a couple things up top here that really should not have the word Stalin in it. Let's see what that looks like. This one is paint stuff. I really shouldn't have Stalin paint, but we'll find out what it thinks it saw. Let's come here and find the pictures, and here's the culprit right here. If I zoom in a little bit, it's a tack cloth that it saw, and let's see where it is again. I just lost it. There's probably the word stain on it, and it thought it said Stalin. Yeah, right there, staining, but it thought it said Stalin, and it picked that word up. So that's pretty amazing that a little word on a label of something that was in a paint bucket, maybe pinged as Stalin. And this is a pretty useful tool for you too. It can be useful for your students in that you can search a lot of different stuff. And if you do have a lot of handwritten things, it's able to be digitized and captured as well. So that is another way that you could use some searching by using tags, text, or even stuff from image file. Thanks for watching.